So hey guys, welcome back. So as of now, we are comfortable with the code. We'll recall some of the operators we learned a couple of lectures ago. Yes, it's the unary and the binary operators. So in front of you, I have a code typed out. From here to here, it's the same thing as the last code. But what changes here is that we're going to use the unary operators. Here we have a plus plus and plus plus a. It's the same thing, nothing different. I declared a and I asked for the value of a, and C in statement here gets the information from the user and it stores the value as a. The next cout statement will print the value of a plus plus, not a, it's a plus plus. The text written in the yellow color, it's just the text which is going to be displayed on the output screen. Nothing to do with the code over here. So you can write anything over here, like it's never going to affect the program itself because it's in the double quotes. So whatever you write inside the double quotes will not affect the program. It'll just get displayed on the output screen. So I've added /t, a double slash, to align the text somewhat in the center. You got a plus plus, which is the postfix, and plus plus a, which is the prefix unary operators. And I finished the whole code with a closing bracket. Before you compile or run any program, just check with all the semicolons. Now let's just compile and run it. Okay, now it asks for a value of a. So let me type 3 for simplicity reasons. Now we got a plus plus, which is 3, the same value, and plus plus a as 5. But here it creates some confusion for you because either it should be 4, the plus plus a should be 4, or else it's the same number value of 3. Why did it print 5? I'll explain it now. Over here, the initial value of a is set to 3. In the postfix operation, a value gets printed first, without any changes made. A stores the value 3. In the next step only, a increases by 1 and a stores the value of 4. 3 is deleted from a's memory after displaying. In prefix operation, a increases by 1 first. Now a has attained a value of 5 and 4 is deleted from a's memory. In the second step, this value of 5 was printed and hence the answer was 5. So guys, that's the reason. We click, remember, it goes back. Okay, instead of this, let me change the order of the statement and let me see what happens. There we go. I just changed the order of the statement. Now the prefix unary operator is in the top and the postfix is in the next line. So we'll just execute this and see what happens. I'm gonna type 3 again. See, as a change expected, plus plus a gives you 4 and a plus plus still gives you 4. Now I'll explain it how. Here again, the order of statements was just changed, but it changed the whole answer. So let's see what exactly happened here. Again, a is initialized with a value of 3. So first comes the prefix operation. Since the plus symbol comes before a increases by 1 first. Now a gets the value 4. 3 is deleted from its memory. Second step will be to print the recently stored number, which is 4. Under the postfix operation, since a comes here first, a is printed with whatever value it has recently stored, which is same as 4 again. And then it increases by 1, which adds up to 5. But here, 5 was not printed because this updated value was after the print of 4. Another cout function of A would print 5 again. So this was the logic behind this program. So there we go. Yeah. So for the next program, you can just copy the same template over here because it's the same for almost all the programs. So I just copied it over here. Let us use binary operators in this program. Let me call this as B. It's of integer value. That means it can only store integer numbers, not decimal, nothing. So let me ask from the user to enter the value of B. Yeah. What about a /t? It would look good. And just remember comments function I said. So you can use this double slash over here and you can type anything after the slash. I mean, you can type anything. It's just for the programmers to annotate their code. If they're gonna reference it somewhere, if they're gonna scroll up and down, if they see some comments over here, then no. It's like bookmarks for them. And let me take the value the user entered in as B and let me store it. Okay. So now B plus equal to 2. Let me get that right. And B is equal to B plus 2. So both the statements here are the same thing. B plus equal to 2 and B is equal to B plus 2 is the same thing. If I print, let me just check what happens. Just compile this. Okay, I'm entering 0 and I get 4 because it's the same thing as I told. 2 plus 2 in the first statement and then plus 2 in the second statement. If we go and run it again, we type 6, it gave me 10. See, you see that 10. So that's what I said. It's the same thing. So what you can do now is that you can rewatch the video on operators and try out all the different operators using variables, using cout and cin statements for yourself. Because trust me, you will learn once you start coding. You can just type and play with your own code, play with all the unary and the binary operators. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next bit.